What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle for Techademics, and in this video I'm going to show how you can get web hosting and how to get your first month for free. Okay, so if you haven't watched the previous video already, I'm basically going to show you, well, what I did show you was how to get a domain from Google Domains. So in this case mine was mytechademics.com, which will be a real website. So if you haven't got yourself a domain, go check out that video now. There'll be a link in the description or in the top right hand corner, and then come back to this one. Okay, so if you have got a domain, I'm going to be using Hostgator for web hosting, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically where you pay someone or a company in order to store your data and your website's information on their servers, so it's available to go on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I like to use Hostgator because it's simple to use. They've just updated their UI, so it's nice and modern looking, and they've also got a speedy website at a very low cost. So what I want to do is click Get Started. And when the page is loaded, you see three plans. So we've got the Hatchling, Baby and Business, and I'm personally going to go for the Baby plan. The reason being is because you get to have unlimited domains on this. So I just pay for the one single plan at a set cost, and I can basically have unlimited websites on this plan, unlike the single Hatchling plan. And like it says, it's got unlimited bandwidth and one-click installs, which we'll get into later on. So we're going to click buy now on whatever plan suits you, and you get to a page that looks like this. Now don't worry about what I have in the top right hand corner here, I'm going to go through that in a second, but if you don't have a domain, you can register one with Hostgator, but if you do already have one, like I already do, I'm going to click on I already own this domain, and you're going to type in your domain. Okay, so it's saying it's available because I do own the domain, and when we scroll down, we're going to select what plan we want. So of course I want the baby plan still, but my billing cycle, I'm going to go for the 1 month one. The reason being is because you actually pay all at once. So if I were to go for the 36 month one, it's going to be like over $200, which is not what I want to go out all at once. So I'm going to go for the 1 month one, and then we're going to enter our username and our security pin. This is basically so you can log into your account, and your security pin is basically used to identify yourself when using custom services. If we scroll down even more, this way you want to enter your billing info, so this is fairly explanatory, and obviously your card details. And then if we scroll down even more, we've got some add-ons that we can use. Okay, so depending on how much data and how much traffic you're going to be having on your website, some of these may be appropriate for you, some may not be. So in this case, I'm not going to select any of these. You've gone through everything. Here it's going to give you a brief summary of what you're paying for and how much it's going to cost. So I'm going to quickly enter my information now. So once you've entered all your information at the top, the way you get your first month for free is by entering a coupon code. And to do this, you want to download a Chrome extension, there'll be a link in the description, and it basically searches the whole internet for the best coupons for the current website you're on. So whether it be Amazon, Apple, or even Hostgator. So coming back to the website, the way it works is once you've downloaded and installed the Chrome extension, what you want to do is click on the extension, and it's basically going to find all the coupons for you. If not, it would probably say something like search for them here. But once it has searched for them, you want to click on apply coupon, and it's going to search for all the coupons. And as you can see, the best one that it searched for was a coupon called 1 cent. So if I click checkout, and that's basically going to give you my first month for free. Okay, so once you create your account for Hostgator, you should get an email with your login information. So if I just show you mine quickly, it will basically look like this. And to get into your control panel, which you'll be basically controlling your web hosting with, you want to click on this link here, and it's going to lead you to a page that looks like this. If you do need to log in, you're basically going to use your username, and you're going to use the password that you're provided with, which is going to be random, but you can change that. So in order to change your password, once you've logged on, you want to click on settings, and right at the top here, this is where you're going to change your password, or you can generate a password for you, which I don't recommend because it can be hard to remember. And that is basically how you get yourself web hosting. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to install WordPress and get your website set up. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below in the description. As I said, go check out the previous video in order to get your own domain, or you can always purchase one from Hostgator. The link will be in the description below. And if you do want the Chrome extension, You can also view the link in the description and it'll take you straight to it. So thank you for watching and subscribe to see more videos like this.